Hi everyone. So my friend again, she told me to do another video. She wants me to do another review video, so I'm doing it. And yeah, she been a reason before she's been sick lately. She's been sick for 1 month, and I don't know why she's not feeling well. But I could ask her, but she doesn't really answer me the text her, so I don't know. But she also made videos, and she made the ones that hasn't been any talking, but because she likes doing that, because then you can hear like the slime more satisfying better, she thinks. So yeah, so I'm going to review a slime that I got last year in October at a slime event. And so let's get into the video. Before we get this video, please like, comment, and share. Thank you. And also subscribe. So this is a slime that I got from Slimy Athletics. It is a really nice one. She makes really nice clear, and I like that these foam beads on it makes it more pretty. And it was clear before, and I had to reactivate it a little bit because it was a bit sticky, but now it's a little bit okay. But it kind of got unclear, so I let it sit for a week, but it's now a really bit clearer, and I like it. It's called Candyland. I don't know how she picked this name, but it is such a nice name for this slime. I like her slime, so I'm gonna get more soon, and I might do more review of her slime. And also comment below what other videos you want me to do, because she doesn't really know besides slime, and yeah, it's kind of stuck to me. I don't know why. It was sitting for a while, so that's probably why. And I like it that it's like nice, like pops when you bubble pops when you like this. And I like it's pretty when she puts like the sprinkles in it, make it more pretty. I'm about to go out later, so sorry if it's a bad video. Like it's really short, but I have to go out soon. But I'll ask Shira if she can make more videos of her own, doesn't have to make me make. I don't really want to do a YouTube channel. I don't really want to help her that much, but I'm going to do it. It's okay, but I'd rather do myself on Instagram, and I wanted to do other videos besides them, so I'm going to ask a comment down below what you want to see next. So I'm just going to play this slime now. But also, as you play the slime, it kind of gets unclear a bit, but then when you let it sit, it's clear. Again, that's what it is. So it's like a new old, so it does that. It gets a little bit unclear when you play with it. So I hope you enjoyed the video, everyone, and please like, comment, and share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm not me, but Shira is trying to get 100 subscribers by the end of the year. She wants to, and then she will do a giveaway. And she asked me if I could help with the giveaway. I said no, thank you. So I'm not gonna help her because I don't really want to be part of the channel that much. So yeah. So, see you in the next video if I do it, but hopefully she will do it.